Hello, my old school soul food family. It's Friday night, and I'm still continuing my Friday night. This was so popular, so I'm gonna keep continuing my Friday night pie session here. Probably keep this up until the end of the year. So anyway, I'm gonna do something I don't like to eat, but I'm gonna do it for my family, old school soul food family. I had requests to do more chocolate thing, so I'm gonna do some old school chocolate meringue pie. It's a very simple recipe. I made this before. I taste it sometime. I never really eat chocolate pie, but I know it's popular, so I'm gonna show y'all the really simple way of making a chocolate meringue pie. This is gonna be a chocolate meringue pie. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I got evaporated milk here. I'm gonna pour in here, and I got some vanilla already in the evaporated milk. And also I'm gonna use a can. I'm gonna put some water in here too. So what I did, I got a can of evaporated milk and rinsed it out with water. So it's like a can of evaporated milk and a can of water, of 12 ounces of water. So anyway, I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit, come to like a slight warm, and then I'm gonna add this to what I got in here. I mixed all my dry ingredients together. I got the cocoa powder in here, the sugar, and the cornstarch already here in the bowl. So when it starts thickening up, all this is fully incorporated. All I have to do is temper my eggs, add that into it, and then finish it with butter. And this can be, you don't actually have to make a pie of this. You can actually put it in little dishes and make you a chocolate pudding. Because this really, all this is a chocolate pudding. I'm going to just make a pie of it. Simple chocolate pudding, very rich chocolate pudding. So anyway, I'm gonna, this is warming up. Now what I'm gonna do, clean this up here. Got this all over my cutting board. There. Now I'm gonna pour this into this. Get this all mixed up really, really good before it comes to a boil. I don't want it to come to a boil yet before I get it all mixed up good together here, so it don't lump up. If I pour it in there like that when it's hot, it's gonna definitely lump up on me. Clean this off. Now this is where you really gotta watch it here, because when this starts boiling, it's gonna thicken very, very quickly. Like I say, this is very easy filling, y'all. Very easy. So very, very important that you constantly stir it and don't let it stick or scorch. So let's recap. In here I got my evaporated milk, got my water, cocoa powder, vanilla, sugar, and cornstarch, all in here. I'm gonna bring this up to a boil, get the thickness to it. Then I'm gonna add it to my 4 eggs here. I'm gonna temper my eggs, add it back to the fire, let it thicken a little bit more, and finish it with butter. So I'm gonna step off while this is heating up. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to come to a boil. When it comes to a boil, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. You see how thick this is getting? See that? See how thick that's getting? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this down, lower the temperature. Now, what I want to do, I want to temper the eggs. You know what that means? That means I'm going to add a little hot liquid to the cold eggs so I don't have scrambled eggs. Okay? I'm going to set that on the side right quick. Now, I want to mix this up in here. Get the egg, bring the eggs to temperature. Because if I add these cold eggs to this, we're gonna have scrambled eggs. So now we're gonna add that to that. Mix that up in there. This one you really have to move fast, y'all. You don't want this stuff to scorch. You don't want to lump up on you. See how beautiful this is? Look at that. Now, let it cook just a little more, and then we're gonna add our butter. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of butter to this. Add our butter to this. And that's gonna give it that nice pudding shine, y'all. How the shine you see in the pudding, that's what the butter gonna do. See that? Like I said, making chocolate pudding, chocolate pies is simple. I just don't like chocolate. I don't like celery, I don't like chocolate. So 2 things y'all know I don't like. And I don't like spicy food. But other than that, I'll eat anything. So anyway, I'm gonna get that butter fully incorporated in there. Make sure it's really, really thick. Really, really thick in there. All right. Make sure the eggs are fully cooked. That's it, y'all. This is ready. This stuff is completely ready, y'all. Okay, now I got my deep dish pie shell already cooked completely off. We're gonna pour our chocolate in here. There we go. I'm gonna set this to the side. Set this over here to the side. In fact, I need to put it on the. In fact, I just leave it right here because we're gonna do our meringue here in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna let it cool a little. I'm gonna do my meringue, and we'll be back to put the meringue on there and put it in the oven, and we'll be finished with this pie. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, now we're gonna do the meringue for this. Of course, y'all see me do meringue before. All I'm gonna do is you have your egg whites room temperature. You get them to soft peaks, then you slowly add your sugar and your cream of tartar, and that's it. Meringue is very simple, y'all. And I'm making a lot of meringue because I'm actually making 2 pies. I'm doing the video for chocolate, but I got a coconut cream I need to make for somebody. So I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So, and I did a video already for my coconut cream pie, so coconut meringue. Very simple, y'all. That's it. That's what you want. So we're gonna put this out of here. All right. So what I'm gonna do is put the meringue right on top of the pie here. Like I said, I like to let it cool a little. The pie. And then we just make sure you go towards the edges. Make sure you seal the edges. That's the key. That is the key, y'all. Like I say, y'all, I'm not a chocolate pie fan at all. At all. So I might not even cut this and taste it. Because I know I'm not gonna. It's not good. I don't like the taste for chocolate. To me, chocolate is bitter. To me. But anyway. Okay. Got that on there, and then you just make your little your little things. Make your little fancy things there. Make sure it's sealed. It's very important. You make sure it's sealed so the meringue don't come off from your crust later and see. Okay, that's it. Put it in the oven about 10-15 minutes. Let the meringue get brown. We'll have chocolate meringue pie. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, I decided to cut this pie. I'm curious here, and I'm gonna see how it came out here. Wet my knife here so it don't get, the meringue doesn't stick to my knife. We're gonna see how I've done. Okay. I always say in every pie video, first piece is always the hardest to come out. Get up under here. Keep it up. There we go. There we go, y'all. Perfect. And like I say, you can also make chocolate pudding with this. You have to stand up, you can put it in cups and make chocolate pudding with this. But let's try it here. Like, even though I'm not a chocolate fan, I'm gonna try it out just for y'all. Let's see how it is. If you like chocolate, it's good. But I couldn't eat this whole pie because I'm not a chocolate fan. But if you're a chocolate fan, you would absolutely love this pie. But anyway, that's the end of this Friday night pie session. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment. I'm going to keep stressing this. Please give my video thumbs up and comments, especially the thumbs up. I see a lot of people watching the video. If you can't comment, please give it a thumbs up. That's very important to me and to keep my videos active and on YouTube. That's very important. So anyway, if you like the video, like I say, please like, comment, and share. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button where you'll see a lot of more upcoming videos. But let me close this out. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.